Two red apples, hanging on a tree, hanging on a tree. Two red apples, smiling down at me, smiling down at me. I shook the tree as hard as I could. Down came the apples, yum, they were good.
Hello, friends. I am number 10. I come after number 9. I am a 2-digit number. I am made with 1 and 0. Hello, we are cups. Let's see how many we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cups. We make number 10.
Very good, children. Today we learned about number 10. Number 10 comes after 9. It is made with the digits 1 and 0. Let me tell you some examples of 10. We have 10 fingers on our hands. We have 10 toes on our feet. There are 10 pencils in a box sometimes. A team can have 10 players in some games. Excellent, children.
Hello, children. I am a little water drop. Water is very useful. People use me every day. Let me show you how. I am drinking water. You drink me when you feel thirsty. I help you stay healthy and strong.
See, I'm using water for cooking. I use water to cook rice and vegetables. Water helps me make tasty food.
Look at me! I am using water for bathing. Water keeps my body clean. I feel fresh after my bath. See, I am watering the plants. Plants need water to grow. Water helps them stay green. See, I am using water to clean the car. Water washes away dust. Now the car looks shiny.
Look, I'm washing plates with water. Water cleans the utensils. They are nice and clean now.
Flowing water helps make electricity. Water gives us power for lights and fans. See, I am brushing my teeth with water. Water helps keep my teeth clean. Look, I am washing clothes with water. Water makes the clothes clean and fresh.
Very good, children. Today we learned about the uses of water. We saw that water is used for drinking. We use water for cooking food. We use water for bathing and brushing. We use water for washing clothes and utensils. We use water for cleaning cars and homes. We also give water to plants so they can grow. And flowing water even helps us make electricity. So children, water is very, very important in our daily life. We cannot live without water. That is why we must not waste water. Always close the tap after using it.
Hello, friends. I am letter V. V is for van. Van helps people travel from one place to another.
Hello, friends. I am letter W. W is for wheel. I help vehicles move and roll.
Very good, children. Now write letter V. Start from the top, go down slanting, and then go up slanting. Write letter V neatly in the lines. Next, write letter W. Make 4 slanting lines to form W. Write letter W carefully in the given boxes. Excellent, kids.
Hello, I am letter X. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument. When we hit it, it makes sweet music sounds.
Hi, I am letter Y. Y is for yak. A yak is a big animal. It has long hair and lives in cold places.
Hello, I am letter Z. Z is for zebra.
A zebra is an animal with black and white stripes.
Very good, children. Now write letter X. Draw one slanting line and cross it with another slanting line. Write X neatly and say its sound. Good job. Now write letter Y. Make 2 slanting lines on top and 1 straight line down. Write letter Y carefully in all boxes. Wonderful, children. Now write letter Z. Make a straight line, then a slanting line, and another straight line. Write letter Z neatly in all boxes. Excellent, kids. Today.